Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use your pen, highlighter, and your eraser option on your Samsung Notes using the S Pen. So let me show you how to do this. So first, we'll go ahead and open up the Notes app. We'll go ahead and open a note. So for example here, title. So here I've got all the list: milk, cow, dog, cat, and snake. So let's say I want to erase one of these, so I can use an eraser which looks like this. Tap on that and I can go ahead and erase it. Let's say I want to highlight it. I can use a highlighter option and I can go ahead and highlight it. If I want to change the color, I can go ahead and press on it and change the color. Next, if I want to add another note to it, I can go ahead and use a pen mode. Tapping on it will change the color. And at the left here, I can go ahead and use the keyboard and type in any other notes I would like. So there you go guys, that is how to write, highlight, and erase on your Samsung Note using your Samsung S25 Ultra S Pen. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.